Hello! In this video I will show you how to change search engine into custom one on Xiaomi Pad 7. So you have to start by opening your internet browser, and now you have to go to your custom search engine website, and for this video I will use yep.com. And now you have to search something using your custom search engine. And now click on this three dots icon and go to settings. Then click on search engine, and here you can choose another search engine from this list. And in recently visited you should have the yep.com option, so you can select that, and then you can go back, and as you can see my search engine is changed to yep. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.